Good morning, everyone. Today we're in Ventura, which is about 30 minutes south of Montecito, Santa Barbara. I'm here looking for a concrete bench. Thought I'd bring you along and show you. We used to come here all the time when we lived in this area. They have great Christmas trees. We always used to get our noble firs here. So let's go inside and let's see what kind of spring color they have. Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? It's been a couple of days since we've been back from Ventura, and although we didn't find a bench that we have been on the hunt for, I did find a couple items, and I wanted to show you what they were. I like these pots. I like that they're kind of a creamy color, and I don't know if you can see, they were only $6.49, $6.99. I have to use my glasses. Picked up a couple pots. Picked up a 16-inch planter, and I like that this is heavy duty. A lot of the ones that you see at the big box stores are the iron or the metal is kind of thin. I like that this looks a little bit more beefy, and this was $29. And then my husband has been on the hunt for a flexible shrub rake, and we picked one of these up for him. So I'm going to put on a transfer. I'm going to tape it on with some painter's tape, and I'll show you how I do that. And then I'm going to put a couple of ferns in them with the pots that I bought. I don't have any annuals yet to put in here because we're kind of at that in-between time between spring and winter where it still gets kind of cold at night, and I really want to put some warm weather annuals in. So I think I'm going to hold off on this, but I just wanted to show you what I purchased at Green Thumb. The transfers that I used are from Iron Orchid Design, and there's 4 sheets that have different transfers on them. I thought it would bring a different look to the pots. I hope you guys enjoyed the visit to Green Thumb Nursery. It's a place that we've always gone for many, many years, and when we get a chance, we try and stop by when we're down there. I hope you guys are having a really great week, and we'll see you soon. Bye.